Section 8 inspection day. We're here to see how big our list is gonna be. Let's get started. All right, from our list, we had to caulk the edges. That has been done. And the pipe has been fixed. It is no longer a flex pipe. And for good measure, we replaced the wax ring on that. In the kitchen, we needed to caulk around the sink, which has been completed. The ceiling, there was a mark there, but we ended up pulling probably a good chunk of the ceiling out and just resurfaced everything. Down in the basement, we have a new hardwired smoke and carbon detector. It was a battery. That one still worked, so I just moved it over to here, set it on the ground just as a backup or a failsafe. And our final one was to stick the house numbers on the building. When they put the siding up, they didn't remove them, so I had to put new ones up. All right, so not such a bad Section 8 inspection. I got a couple little things on here, and that's just mostly because they updated code on everything. But I'm gonna get the boys out here, knock this thing out real quick. It'll probably take them like an hour, and this one will be ready to rock and roll again. So pretty good Section 8 inspection, thankfully. So I got holes popping up everywhere. So now we're on to the next one. We'll see you there.